Is there a special place which draws you back to it time and again? For me, the place that hosts such a magnetic attraction is Thian Hock Keng, or Ma Tzu Kung as it is commonly known to the locals. This temple, built by the early Chinese immigrants in 1821, allowed them to offer thanks to the goddess of seafarers for a safe voyage to Singapore, and it houses a number of different deities. As a little girl, I used to be terrified of going to the temple. I remember my dad trying to take a photo of my mom and me standing in front of the temple. My parents were trying all they could do to get me to look at the camera, but I was more concerned about getting away from the snakes which were living in there. Now, with its restoration, there are no longer any snakes to be found anywhere within the confines of the temple, which to me makes the temple lose part of its old world charm. I remember my parents bringing me to this temple at least 4 times a year, in March, May, August and October. These visits coincided with the major examination periods. Why would parents bring their children out during the critical examination periods? Well, there is a statue of Confucius in the temple, and many Chinese believe that praying to Confucius would bless the believers with good academic results. Hence, the number of my visits will go as high as 8 times in a year if I did well, as we believed in thanking the gods for blessing us. I always wonder if school children still visit the temple these days to pray for good results, or if they have found some other ways of relieving the pre-examination jitters. Right next to the temple is a shop selling souvenirs. That used to be a dormitory for teachers who taught in a school opposite the temple. My dad used to study there, and he would regale me with tales of how they used to run up and down the steep staircases, and how the naughty students would serve out their detention in the evenings, while the eagle-eyed but caring teachers hovered over them. That must be similar to the detention that students serve these days. I guess some things will never change, though times and people do. You cannot step into the same river twice, for if you were to step back into it again, a certain amount of water would have flowed by, and you are no longer the same person who first stepped into the river. With each visit, things would change, and so would I. And I would certainly keep the memories.